Hi there, students. To blazon and to emblazon. So, are they the same? Not quite. So, both verbs. I think to blazon means to proclaim, to give out the news. So, he blazoned the news of his forthcoming marriage everywhere. However, I think to emblazon means to cover something or to decorate something in a very noticeable, in a very showy way. So each team member's shirt was emblazoned with their name. Yeah, it was decorated. Yeah, it was printed. It was written in a very obvious way. So I think to blazon, to display prominently or vividly, whereas to emblazon, to inscribe or to display or to put a design on something. So the badge was emblazoned with the insignia of the Prince of Wales, yeah? And that badge blazoned the fact that he belonged to the inner circle of the Prince of Wales. Okay, so they're very close, but I think they're slightly different. To blazon is to publicise, to tell everybody about it, yeah? Whereas to emblazon, to put something somewhere that shows that. The walls of his room were emblazoned with photographs of Manchester United players, adorned, decorated, displayed, ornamented. Yeah? Whereas blazon, to publicise, to announce, to report. Yeah? The scandal was blazoned all over the media. Yeah, the scandal was emblazoned on the front page of the newspaper, displayed prominently. And here you see the two meanings are coming together, because I think to blazon, to display prominently. Yeah, to emblazon, to write something or to put something so that it's easy to see. Let's see, these two words actually come from heraldry. Let's do the origin. Both of these come from a French word, Blazon, meaning a shield. And in heraldry, yeah, each noble has their own shield with their own design and their own heritage on it. And to blazon literally meant to describe somebody's coat of arms, yeah? And whereas to emblazon was to draw somebody's coat of arms. So the blazon, it's speaking about the coat of arms, and emblazon is to actually draw it or put it on something. Yeah, okay, and that's so the symbol was emblazoned on the wall, and that blazoned the message to everybody. Yeah, graffiti was emblazoned on the wall, was put up so that everybody could see this, and this blazoned the message. It spread it out. Okay, so that's the difference. To blazon, to blazon, to publicise, whereas to emblazon, to put something so that it's clearly and easily seen on something else. Okay, formality. Both of these are quite formal words. I think I would give blazon a 7.5, and emblazon 6.5 to 7. Don't use them informally. Yeah, informally, blazon, to publicise, emblazon, to paint on something. And then, as I said, both of these come from Blazon in French, a shield, yeah, and to put the shield onto, Emblazon. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blazon and Emblazon.